Got it.
Got it.
Recording.
Woo! Good job. You can have more. Put it in there. Yay! Put this one in.
Good job. You set that one in nicely.
Did you do this one?
Slam dunking it.
Kylie's dying Easter eggs. Woo! Woo! Yay!
Which color do you want to dye the last one in? You have one more. Which color? Pick a color.
Blue.
What
So,
color?
ready? Orange, blue, purple, yellow, red, or green.
Pick a color.
Say blue. Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Put it in that one. Put it in. No, you can't hold it. Put it inside. Yay!
Hey!
For Kylie's a jolly. Alright, we'll check him in a few minutes, okay?
For Kylie's a jolly good baby.
Yay!
Yay!
We gotta check him in a few minutes, okay? Oh.
Oh, pretty. Watch. Blue.
Yay!
Hooray! Guess what? Pretty. What? Look at your fingers now.
She just dropped it on her.
Good job, Kai Kai. Just put it there.
Yep, it goes in the box. Orange. Ooh, I like the orange one.
This green one's pretty.
Ooh.
Hey, Kylie.
Your favorite color, lady.
Yeah, look at the green one. Pretty.
Look at the blue one. It's two different colors.
Pretty blue.
Ooh.
Ooh. Good. Watch out.
What color is that?
Look at your hand.
Blue. Did your hands turn blue?